Mai ni uturo kuona gutire mundu kana nyamu ingikara itari mai na hari gutigirira ciiga cia mwiri ni ciraruta wira wacio uria gubatie. Mai ni umwe wa maundu maria mabataranagia na to mai tu, inde mai macio mabatie gukorwo mari matheru. Gukiri uguo, bodi iria irugamagirira motungata ma mai guku bururi-ini wa RCEB ni ikinyukitie ikinya rimwe mbere hari gutigirira aikari a kaunti ya Nairobi na matura maria mamirigiceirie ni mamukira mai matheru kuri aria mendagia mai ma mahuthiro micii-ini kuitukira mawatho meru maria gathikite. Umwe wa mawatho macio ni ati omonjoria wa mai ni abatie gukorwo na marua maria magirire kiwatho ma kuonania ati na rutha rwa gutabania biacara ino, na niguo kwigwatira marua macio endia a mai ni moritio mahuthire rurenda rwa RCEB niguo kumenya mutaratara uria mundu abatie kurumirira niguo kwiyandikithia, na onjoria a mai mahetwo nginya tariki 15 mweri ukite gukorwo megwatire marua ma kuruta biacara ya wendia wa mai.
The water bowsers, the businessmen will only be required to go into our website awwda.go.ke and download the form. It is explicitly clear on what service you are providing. If you are providing the water bowsing services, it is the registration is very clear. If you are providing the borehole water, it is also very, very clear. And for all those categories, either a borehole, small community, gated community, the registration is there.
Oho bodi ya RCEB rwiri thurimaga mai maria marendio matanakinyira ikari micii-ini yao niguo gutigirira mai maria Kenya marenderio ni matheru makiria ihinda-ini riri marabataranio na makiria hari bara ya kurana na murimu uria tukurire maitho wa COVID-19.
The objective of this legislation is to ensure that the consumers of the water that is disputed by the water bowsers is of consumable quality, and we can even be able to track where that water is coming from and even the consumer of that water. In the wake of COVID, now the public health issues are being taken very, very seriously, and every drop of water that is being consumed in Nairobi, either for domestic or even hand washing, the quality check is very, very important.
Bodi ya RCEB ni heanite mukana kuri aria matekurumirira mawatho maria magathikitwo ikiuga magwikora kona-ini njike ya kiwatho. Wa Jerometa, Inooro TV.